If you have a ministerial duty, that it must be based on something. It must be based on a law. Ang sagot sa ngayon, ang sagot, it's based on their own resolution. But you cannot give yourself power. There must be a law authorizing you to issue that resolution. Ang sagot, 6735, RA 6735. Itapos na yan, COMELEC. Alam naman ninyo nung 1990s pa, the defensor ruling, sabi ng Supreme Court, that RA 6735 is insufficient to support a people's initiative. Alam naman ninyo, COMELEC yan. Sabihin naman ng COMELEC sa atin, hindi, may second Lambino case. Alam mo naman sa Lambino case, natalo nga yung proponents ng PI doon eh. Sa main decision, hindi na, sabi ng Supreme Court doon, wag na natin i-revisit yung defensor case. Yun yung decision na may pirma ng mga justices. That is the ruling, and then nag-motion for reconsideration, talo pa rin yung proponents ng People's Senate.